Where's your water? You want this water?
Is doing everything possible to ensure that Donald Trump
Hold on.
from the advice of his current military brass. He cited the ongoing.
That's your water. This is my water. Okay.
The next president will inherit. President Obama.
We're having pizza. Baby's pizza's in the freezer. Right, baby? We're gonna have pizza. We're gonna have a very hot pizza because it sure is hot. Yes, it is. Put it down here so you can see. Onions, mushroom, peppers. I come in, and this was working like crap. Where is my short pizza? It's a coming. Baby's impatient. It's a coming. Hold on. Hold on tonight, please. Hello. Weighing in on everything from nuclear arms to maybe performing at his inauguration. Baby's got the plane. I want to take his off and let it cool down. I already got a piece in the freezer for him. Wait a minute. Patience. It's coming. He's hungry. Okay, honey. Woo! There he goes. Yay. Wait a minute. Let me see if yours is cooled off. That's still hot. It's still hot, baby. A few more minutes. We'll open the sauce that we're putting on it, okay? It's still hot. Yeah. Let's see if I can bring it in a little. Vegan baby Nino. Okay. Why? It's telling me to turn it off. Alright, watch. Liberal groups are up with ads accusing Trump Treasury Secretary Mnuchin of profiting. You're gonna put some of this. And in Mobile, Alabama, this is organic non-dairy ranch. Right? Right. Is baby tired? Yeah, I'm gonna put this on your plate. You see if you like it. You sure I'm gonna need a knife? One momento.
President-elect has expressed very little faith in the intelligence community, but just a few minutes ago,
you try it and see if you like it. Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know. I don't know. This is yours. Do you want me to cut your pizza? Do you want me to cut it?
Turkey's
cut it?
Says they know the suspect behind the New Year's Eve nightclub attack.
Or are you gonna bite it? Yeah. See if you like this and you want to dunk. Whoa! I don't think so, huh? Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, what did I do?
Israel's Prime Minister is calling for the pardon of an Israeli soldier.
I spilled it.
Of manslaughter in the death of a wounded Palestinian attacker. Prime Minister Netanyahu asked for a pardon, plunges him into a political debate.
Here, try.
Over this
Here.
case and puts him
You try and see what you think.
Israel's president has the authority to issue a pardon, but said he will wait for the legal process
Some cheese.
to run its course before making a decision.
It should be okay. Just dunk it a little bit, all right?
To fill the vacancy.
See what you think.
First years with several possibilities around the country are covering tonight.
Sorry, guys. Getting a napkin.
9 flu-related deaths in Washington just 3 weeks into the flu season. The state's health department says cases are now at epidemic levels and widespread across the
Sure, we
state.
got some light.
You're seeing the spike in flu cases.
All right, let's eat.
Fox 35 in Orlando, Republican Governor Rick Scott wants nearly $6 million to hire more state agents dedicated to counter-terrorism efforts. The governor's request follows last year's terrorism Pulse nightclub that left 49 people dead.
Yeah, try it and see.
New York from our affiliate Fox 5. The big story there tonight, a train derailment during this morning's rush hour that injured more than 100 people. Investigators say a Long Island Railroad train hit the bumpy
Give it a
block
taste and try it and see.
this morning. New York's governor said the most significant
Let me
injury was
see.
a possible broken leg. The cause of the crash
Yeah,
is
it's
still
okay.
under investigation. One of several in that region in recent months.
Try.
That's tonight's live look outside the boat.
Oh my goodness. Choo-choo.
Pain does not care about
Choo-choo,
your garden.
okay?
Arthritis doesn't care about your garden. Or your motorcycle ride. Pain doesn't care how young you feel. Right now.
Right, yeah.
Don't let pain stop you from living your life.
Give this a
Use
taste.
Australian Dream for arthritis. It's not greasy, there's no odor, and only Australian Dream has a money-back empty jar guarantee. So don't let arthritis slow
Salad
you down.
dressing,
Get
the
Australian Dream. Do you know why it's
non-dairy
so
ranch
important
organic.
portion of your savings and retirement accounts with gold and silver?
I can make
There are 15
better.
reasons. Here are 3. The bond bubble could burst any minute. China wants to replace the U.S. dollar with its own currency. And when the Fed raises interest rates, gold can soar to record
Yeah,
highs
it's
again.
delicious.
Something is coming.
You want some?
Big banks, central banks, and billionaires know it. That's why they are
Good,
backing
right,
up
brother?
wealth with gold and silver. Maybe it's time for you to do the same. Call Lear Capital to get this free report, 15 compelling reasons to own gold and silver.
Not
Learn how
sure
China
if I
could
like
burst our
this.
bond bubble, crash our dollar, and gut your savings and retirement accounts. When you call, ask to get up to $500
No.
in free gold or silver with a qualifying purchase. The report
Do you
is
like
free,
that?
And China is making their moves now. So don't wait. Call 1-800-599-1989. 1-800-599-1989. Call now.
No, not hot. This is delicious.
Zuka had digestive problems
Good.
when eating. Then I fed him fresh
Water. Is it delicious? Heartburn.
Sorry, man.
Huh?
Burning here.
You want your water?
Heartburn relief gummies. They don't taste chalky and work fast.
incredible.
You choo-choo, okay?
Alka-Seltzer heartburn relief gummies. Enjoy the
Good? I got mine. You eat yours. Huh? I got some to dunk. You want to dunk that? Don't put too much.
Like an awesome beach plus an insane
It's
water park
not
equals
bad.
pure happiness. And 20 restaurants times the unbeatable nightlife equals oh yeah. And most rewarded plus luxury
Pretty good.
equals and all included times all unlimited equals infinite possibilities.
Not bad for
All
dunking.
number one, all
I don't know about on salad.
1-800 beaches and save up to 60.
Don't just eat it like that by the spoonfuls. I don't want you to eat it like that. Dunk. Just dunk.
Easter seals is changing the way the world defines and views disabilities, believing everyone
Boy.
can reach their potential. Easter seals is you,
Yeah.
taking on disability together.
What are we going to do tonight? Lunch? Play ball? Ball? Yeah.
promises a fight
Grinch?
with President-elect Donald Trump's pick for the
Watch
U.S.
the
Supreme Court
Grinch?
vacancy. But even before he has a chance to try to block any potential nominee,
I got it.
some pro-life leaders are raising their own
No, you
concerns
want to watch the
over
Grinch?
some of the conservative credentials on the president-elect's list so far. Chief Legal Correspondent Shannon Green joins us now live with a look at some
The
of
Lorax?
Good evening, Shannon.
Hi, Brett. Well, yes, the new Senate Minority Leader is not going to take it easy on the President-elect Supreme Court nominee once we find out who that will be. Schumer says the GOP basically stole the Supreme Court seat left vacant by the death of Justice Scalia by refusing to move on the president's nominee, Judge Merrick Garland. And it sounds like things could get complicated on Capitol Hill.
It's hard
Really,
for me to
really
imagine
good.
a nominee that
Tasty,
Donald Trump
tasty.
would choose that would get Republican support that we could support. So you're right.
And so you would do your best to hold the seat open?
Absolutely.
I think that's
The
something
cheese
the American
is-
people simply will not tolerate, and we'll be looking forward to receiving a Supreme Court nomination and moving forward on it.
Nice
It is
and
not surprising the left
creamy.
would question Mr. Trump's
Yeah,
eventual
boy.
nominee, but there are growing concerns from some on the right as well. A coalition of pro-life groups and leaders has sent a letter saying they're worried about some of the candidates on the list of 21 potential picks Mr. Trump has released. Quote, "We urge you to not consider candidates lacking a
Is she
pro-life
true?
record. Several of these judges on the list have even written or spoken in ways that are at odds with the pro-life position." The Trump transition
Peppers
team
and
says not to worry,
onion.
all are being thoroughly vetted.
Mushroom.
The president
You like
is working very
onions?
hard to get this right.
You do?
And these are people who have very deep records that have to be at.
You like peppers? You do? You like mushrooms? You do? Wow.
And the Steelers have the lead now, 24-20.
You a good boy? You what? What?
Baltimore has to get into the end zone. They're down 4. He hands it off.
Do you like Wild Boy? Is Wild Boy your favorite song? Wild Boy? Football? Football's on? Yeah? Yeah?
27-24, Ravens in front.
Do you like football? Me too. Yeah? Yeah? Mom has it on the TV? Yeah? What? No more dunk?
And the Steelers capture the AFC North Championship.
Chip
Ravens
show.
will miss the postseason for
What's
the
wrong?
second year in a row.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Wendy's is adding the double stack as an option in the 4-for-4 for a limited time. With over a quarter-pound of fresh beef, that's a deal so good it should not exist. Like bumblebees should not be able to fly because their wings are too small.
Who made this pizza?
A deal so great, it's impossibly good.
Me?
David, you have one of the
Wow.
I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
I see you look big.
Yeah.
I'm a dentist. I'm a dental monitor.
Pizza?
Tell you when you have a bad cavity.
That's bad.
Yep.
Lunch?
Oh, yes.
No me. No me. No me. No me. No me. No me. You? You did it. You? All right.
50% off Pizza Hut Pizza.
Uh-huh.
Online. Supreme, half off. Meat lovers, half off. Can't decide, still half off. 50% off. Because no one out Pizza
I
Hut.
must put a lot of cheese on here.
Not going to talk about when the discussions happen.
I didn't realize it.
Lions head coach Jim Caldwell is
Stop.
staying in Detroit for the 2017 season, but he doesn't want to talk about it. After briefly thanking the organization for the support, he let everyone know
Not
he
too
wasn't
much,
going
Dom.
into any detail, and he'd only take questions about this weekend's game versus Seattle.
Because like I said yesterday, the focus is still
No argument there. His focus is definitely on the team.
So yummy.
Introducing New Degree Ultra Clear Blackless White. Saves your white clothes from yellow stains and your black clothes.
You tired? You are?
48-hour sweat protection. New Degree Ultra Clear Blackless White. It won't let you down.
You what?
It's that time of year again, when you realize you still didn't get quite
Yeah.
what you wanted. That's why Verizon is the best
Not yet.
wireless network. Like a free smartphone when you're out of line.
We gotta eat.
Trade-in required. Choose from the Samsung Galaxy J3.
We gotta eat, baby.
Or Stylo. Or the Moto Z Play. All free. And as if
Let
you
me
need
see.
another reason, switch to Verizon now and get up to $650 to cover your costs. You're still trying to get exactly what you want at Verizon.
Dunk.
I love it.
In or out?
Hey, it was really hard to sleep and not wake on time. Then I found Leave
Go.
PM, the only one to combine a safe sleeping plus the 12-hour pain relief strength of Aleve. Now, I'm back. Aleve PM for a better AM.
Next week, I just made eye contact with Tom. I don't know if he noticed, but I noticed. This
So
sure
good.
was good to me, as I attended
You don't
a
want
Patriots
this?
game on Christmas
Too
Eve.
hard for baby. You got that.
And went places I never thought I'd be. We just
Yeah.
got a touchdown in the Homer's box. In the Homer. Merry Christmas. Plus, Bill Belichick's ability to remain calm amidst chaos. Don't miss Patriot games next week on FS1.
What are we gonna do when we're done eating?
Well, Mandy, this is the FS1 College Hoops Tip-Off, sponsored by the Lincoln Motor
Ham?
Company. Inside Eagle Big House, a top 20 matchup, and it's the first time
Good
since
boy.
1950. The Eagles host the number 1 team in America. That is Villanova, and the host is 18th ranked Butler. We're playing up for this one. Great atmosphere.
Wait, you can't get down.
Johnny Marshall, I guess substitute
No.
for the Biggies, where you go and get a run on Saturday and a
Okay.
two games on the same time. On the road again.
Got me. Here. Sit here, baby. Yeah. Uh-huh. That's yours. That was the baby. Just the baby. We're gonna have more. More. This baby. Hello, baby. Hello. What are you saying? You saying hello? Or you saying yo? Yo? You what? You what? Huh? So, what are you doing? Put it back up. Put it back up. Get it off my feet. So good. What, hon? Come here. What? Oh, boy. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye. Bye. Bye.